So what do I mean by relevance, proximity, and pay? So in the 15 years that I have been in the Career Center, I have found that you need at least two of the three. So if you have relevance and proximity, so if if a student is interested in marketing, let's just throw that out there, and you have a marketing opportunity, they want to do whatever, social media content and be able to gain experience doing that. So if it's relevant toward what they think that they want to do and what their major is, and you're close by, you don't necessarily have to pay that much. Or if you're a nonprofit organization, we'll get into pay a little bit more detail. But you need to have, or from my experience, you need to have at least two of those three. So if you have relevance and you're farther away from where they want to be, then trying to find housing can be an issue. So you may have to pay a little bit more. And if you have all of those, relevance, proximity, and pay, then typically, like it says here on the slide, students will flock to these opportunities. I don't know, where the group is from, but Marathon in Findlay takes on hundreds of interns, not all from the University of Findlay, obviously, because there's some majors that we can't provide or that we don't provide, but they are right down the road. More often than not, they are relevant toward what it is that that student is interested in, and they are able to pay.